Teach app. In this video, we will discuss about the categorized networks. What are the different networks? In previous video, we have discussed what is a network. Network means connection of one or more devices or nodes through a communication link. That will be called as a network. So, what are the different types of networks that we are used in the day-to-day world? There are three types of networks. First one is LAN, second one is MAN, and third one is WAN. So LAN means local area network, MAN metropolitan area network, WAN wide area network. So first we will discuss about LAN. What is a LAN? LAN means a local area network. You can see the LAN is nothing but it is a privately owned network with a single building or a campus and up to a few kilometers. Means the LAN network can be built within a campus or within a lab or within a college or a laboratory or a room, and the size is nothing but 0 to 2 kilometers or 0 to 5 kilometers maximum range that will be allowed by the LAN. So LAN is nothing but a local, the name itself, local area network. Local means within a small area only the network will be built up. LANs can be categorized. First one is the size, and second one is the transmission technology, and third one is the topology. Size means what is the size, how many systems that are used to build the LAN, and what type of switches or routers or hubs that are used to build LAN. And third one is what type of transmission technology, whether it is a wired technology or wireless technology, and the transmission medium, what type of transmission medium, whether it is a twisted pair or coaxial cable, what type of mediums that are used to transmit the data from source to destination. And topology, what type of topology, whether it is a mesh topology, star topology, ring topology, and what type of topologies that are used to construct the LAN. So LAN is nothing but the local area network. LAN may use a transmission technology consists of a cable to which all the machines are attached like the telephone company. So transmission, what type of transmission technology means? Transmission technology that is used in the LAN is all the cables that are connected to each and every system or each and every device, like a telephone system or a telephone network has been built. If we take an example that a telephone network will be built by connecting each and every phone through a switch or a cable. See here, this is a LAN, this is the LAN cable, and the each and every system that has been connected to the cable. So what a number of systems, n number of systems can be connected to the cable, then it will be called as a LAN. And a LAN may be constructed like round, a ring also. It will be also suitable for a LAN connection. If we take an example in LAN, S1, S2, S3, S4. All these are the four systems connected through a LAN, and each and every system can be communicated. S1 can pass a message to S3, and S1 can pass a message to S4, and S4 can pass a message to S3. So in a LAN, any system can communicate with any other system without any hesitation. That is one of the major advantage in the LAN. And second one is MAN. What is a MAN? MAN is nothing but a metropolitan area network. Means it will covers a city. City means, if we take an example, 2 or more LANs can be connected through a switch or a router or a hub, then it will be called as a MAN. So I will give a small example by taking the DMarts located in several places within a city. D1 is the DMart, D2, D3 and D4. D2, D3 and D4, and this is the central switch where S1. So if we take 4 organizations or 4 DMart stores located in the single city, and how the MAN will be worked. See, now I want to purchase a product in the D1, but there is no idea about the product that has been in the particular D1 or not. Then the D1 will communicate with D2, and D2 will communicate with D3, D3 will communicate with D4, and by communicating, these kind of communications will be done and identify whether the given product is in the 4 stores or not. Then it will give the message to the S1 in which store the product has been identified. So nothing but MAN is nothing but connecting 2 or more LANs, or 2 or more LANs can communicate each other by using this MAN. So D1 is one type of LAN, D2 is one type of LAN, D3 and D4 are 4 LANs are connected, and the searching for a product that has been located in D4. So the central is S1. The message will be passed to S1 that the product has been identified in the D4. So these type of communications within the particular city will be called as a MAN. MAN is nothing but connecting 2 or more LANs within a city will be called as MAN. See here, one of the example is also there. Antenna is the main thing that has been transmitted the signals from one end with a frequency maybe a 98.3 or 102.3 like that to the central switches, and these switches has been transmitted the same signal to different houses or different mobiles or different stations. By using the main antenna only, the communication has been regulated from one part to another part. This type of communication will be also called as metropolitan, but it is a cable based network. If we take an example of our cable television, each and every set-top box has been connected with some wire to the TV. So the single set-top box will be covered with 50 to 100 TVs based on the wire that has been established between each and every device. This type of communication will be done in the MAN. And next one is WAN. WAN is nothing but it spans a large geographical area, often a country or a continent. If I want to communicate a person in India, person located in some UK, then through wire or wireless, the communication can be done between these two. These type of communications will be called as a wide area networks. Means, if we take an example, there is no logical or there is no physical communication between these two countries, but there is the communication through computer networks. So the computer networks can connect any organization or any country through computers. The communication can be done. So the wide area networks means the communication that will be done between two countries or two continents by using this WAN. See here, an example is there, sending host and receiving host. Here the router, subnet, packet and all are occur. First of all, I want to explain the host. Host is nothing but the sender, sending host and receiving host. Now I want to send a packet or a message like 101 from sending host to receiving host. The packet will be sent from 101 to A to C, C to E and E to receiving host. Otherwise A to B, B to D, D to E and receiving host. So these type of communications that will be done within a continent or a country that will be called as a wide area networks. Categorization of networks like LAN, MAN and WAN.